Hi, kids. Today, we're going to practice recalling the days of the week. Do you know all 7 days of the week? Let's start by hearing all 7 days first. Ready? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now, listen and repeat after me. I'll say each day, and you repeat it. Ready? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Great job! Now, let's see how well you remember the order of all 7 days of the week. I'll name a day, and you tell me the next one. Ready? What comes after Wednesday? Thursday. What comes after Sunday? Monday. What comes after Thursday? Friday. What comes after Monday? Tuesday. What comes after Saturday? Sunday. Did you get them right? Excellent! Now, I'll name a day, and you tell me the one before it. Ready? What day comes before Friday? Thursday. What day comes before Tuesday? Monday. What day comes before Sunday? Saturday. What day comes before Thursday? Wednesday. What day comes before Monday? Sunday. Did you get them right? Amazing! See you next time.